Vans of the Wool. Ayan, nagbabalik tayo dito sa may Gateway Mall 1. Ayan, nakasale sila, no? Up to 30% yata sa mga sapatos. Mag-update lang tayo. Ayan, shout out kila ma'am, kila sir. Nasaan to? 3rd floor, Gateway Mall 1, Cubao, Quezon City. Ayan, medyo maingay kasi may tumutugtog sa baba. So, subscribe sa mga napadaan po at paki-like and share. So, pasok na tayo.
So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things. Realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you. Choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess. What's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me.
May maraming bands dito na bags ha. Ayan, no? Naka-less 15% off sila. Ayan, baka may magustuhan kayo dito. Dito ako nakabili na kami bags na black eh. Ganda na ito.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep on the scheme.
Mga bating naka-regular yung iba rito. Yan, tulad ng mga to. Selected lang yung sale nila. So siya na kayo, medyo maingay kasi may tumutugtog sa baba. Ito 4499. Ayan, 4499. Meron dito medyo mababa na, 2499 lang to. 2499. Maraming design to. Yan. Old school na black. Kano kaya to? 4498 din to. Yan, naka-regular. Yan, ito naka-regular din. Mga body, mga naka-regular. Yan, ito old school na to. Try nyo dayuhin si Vans Gateway Mall 1. Continuous pa rin yung sale nila. Ito naman 4498. Yan, old school. Ito mga angas to. Sa mga Vans lovers dyan, ito naman 5998. Yan, may mga ibang colorway. Yan, naka-regular din. Baka naghanap kayo, available dito. 4498. Yan, 4498. Guwapo. Yan. Wow. Yan, ito ganitong old school, no? High cut. 4498. 4498. Yan. Ito mga slip on, no? Mga naka-regular 3698. Yan, mga sapatos ni Vans. Yan, ito ang ganda na ito. Waterproof. Angas, oh. Ito, baka nag-skateboarding kayo. Yan, marami. Less 15% off. Mga naka-markdown nilang damit, oh. Yan, oh. Ito, 1,049 na lang, oh. 1,049. Ito yung design. Yan, ganda ng likod, oh. Angas. So, marami kang pipilian. Meron pa dito, oh. Oh, yan. Tingnan natin. Yan yung likod. Plain lang siya, no? Plain lang. Yan, oh, marami kayong pagpipili na damit dito. Yan yung mga naka-markdown nila. May mga ibang kulay. Baka mahilig kayo ng hoodie na Vans. Yan, naka-sale siya, no? Yan, marami dito. May mga pantalon din. Short. Yan, oh, baka matripan nyo yung mga design, no? Pang babae, pang lalaki. Ganda. Okay. Ito mga pang kids, oh. Gaganda. Pang kids. Ito yung mga pang babae, mga body, mga small size po ito, no? Less 30% din. Ito, pang women po ito, ha. Pang women. Ito, 4399. Yan, ito. Angas na ito, oh. Ito, slip on. Ito, 599. Mga pang babae po ito. Yan, pang babae. Yan. Ganun daw, pang babae. Ito pa, black. Kano naman to black? 2,999. 2,999. Meron pa dito, iba. Yo mga buddy, so hanggang dito na yung ating vlog. Ayan, try nyo na lang pasyalan si Vans Gateway Mall 1, Cubao, Quezon City. Nasa 3rd floor. Ayan, thank you kila sir, kila ma'am. Ayan po sila, busy sila eh. Ayan, maraming salamat po sir, ma'am. Ayan, hanggang dito na lang. Yun, shout out po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po ulit. Subscribe. Ayan, dayuhin nyo na si Vans Gateway Mall 1. Hanggang dito na lang. Peace, bye bye.